Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Unexpected things coming up, right? We're going to talk about this in this video. We'll talk about my truck here a little bit. So when I went up to New York last fall, my back tires were slicks, okay? I mean, they were slick. And so I had replaced, in November, I replaced the two back tires, because that's all I could afford to replace at that time. So I did that. And then when I came back down to West Virginia, the next thing that happened is my brakes went on the truck. So front brakes went. So I had to do disc, rotors, and brakes. Rotors and brakes had to be done. So the two tires in the back, that was $500. Then the rotors and the brakes went. That was $750. So then I'm like, okay, I needed to get the two front tires done because of it was wearing on the tires up in this area, right up in here. That side of the tire, the cables were showing. So I had to get that, and I wanted to get a front end alignment. So I went there that day to go get that done. And so he came out and he said, your front wheel bearings are bad on both sides, right? He said, you got to get that taken care of. And I said, well, I can't do it today. He goes, well, we won't do the front end, we won't do the alignment if you don't have them done. And I'm like, okay. So I just got the two front tires done that particular time, and that was, I think, $450 just to get the two front tires done. Well, the truck has been progressively doing not well, right? And so I went this morning, and they don't do appointments, okay? This particular business doesn't do appointments. So I got there at 7 this morning, and like I said, I needed to get the front wheel bearings done, okay? So they're like, yeah, it's going to be a little bit, and to get it done, and then I was going to have the alignment done as well. And so I was like, that's fine. And so I got there, like I said, at 7. I checked at 10 o'clock, and I went and had breakfast, and then there she is. Good girl. Good girl. Then I went and, came up to the counter at 10 and said, how much longer are we looking at? He said, well, they just came in, so we're looking at 2 hours. I was like, okay. The first video is actually going to be going up on time. I'm looking at the timing of it. But I thought I would have plenty of time. But I ended up being at that car shop for 5 hours today. But I did get the, them in. Both of them are in. And then had the alignment done. And I will tell you this, the truck is riding much, much better. It was getting bad. It was really, really getting bad. So basically, since November, I've had to put about $2,500 into the truck. So it's a robbing Peter to pay Paul type of situation. It's not easy, especially, when YouTube is doing what they've been doing as far as pay and all that type of stuff. And you ask any YouTuber, their pay is down across the board. So it's not like I'm crying and saying, oh, poor me. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just saying that is an issue. That's, finances are not what they used to be, And when you're trying to prep and you're trying to get things going and get things done, and then you're having issues, it's not a good time. So anyway, so that's what's going on with that. So that's where I spent my Saturday morning for 5 hours. And so what I will tell you also, the chicken's already today, and I don't know, because this is not an egg count day, so you guys can get this information. This video will be going up at 7 o'clock. I've already got 5 eggs today from the hens, and the white hen did lay already as well today. And so I don't know if the 6th hen will lay or not. Right now it is 2:30 in the afternoon. And you can see just a lovely, lovely day, and it's actually starting to rain lightly once again, so the rain is not over yet. But And I just when I just got back, the heat was off inside the camper, so I cycled it through, put it back on, and sure enough, the tank was empty. So I had to go out in front and change the tank on the in front of the camper so I could turn the heat back on. So I don't have it on at the moment. I haven't gone back into the camper yet. But yeah, so I mean, you know, it's just, folks, I'll tell you what, and I'm sure a lot of you are going through the same thing right now. It's always something. Unexpected bills popping up that you really don't want to have to deal with. And that's kind of where I'm at the moment. It happens. What can you do? There's really nothing you can do. There really is nothing you can do. You just do the best that you can. Keep trying to take care of your business, and that's all you can do. So it's an unfortunate thing, but it's what I've had, you know, it's what I had to deal with. So not a good time, not a good time. So I've been a little stressed, I'll be honest with you. You know, just thinking, you know, how am I going to take care of this and all those good fun things that you have to do as an adult. And but you know, we'll get through it. We'll make it work, and we'll be just fine. But not fun, you know. And then of course, you know, there's always the constant of making sure I have enough food for the birds, making sure I have enough food for her. You know, it's always the next thing that has to happen. Now, like I said, now that to fill up that propane tank, it's going to be another $15, which is not terrible, honestly. But again, you know, trying to do things on a tight budget is not a good time. I can honestly say that. It's just not a whole lot of fun being on that tight budget. But I will tell you, it was much, much nicer today driving back than the drive in to the car place. And they did a great job. And and I'm going to tell you what, and this is, let me explain the difference between West Virginia and other places, okay? So I had initially taken my truck to the Ford dealership, and I said I needed to get 2 new front tires. And so, and I'll show you the brand that I have here, because when I put the 2 front tires on, they are Super Trail. Yeah, Super Trail. Okay, that's a brand name of the tires. They're Super Trail. Or no, I'm sorry. Master. Let's see. Mastercraft. There you go. That's the name of the brand. Mastercraft is the name of the tire. Okay. So when I had those put on in New York, that's the ones I had put on. This guy at the Ford dealership, the guy, I went in the back and was talking with him, and he said to me, you really need to put the same kind of brand of tire on the front of the truck as the back of the truck, or otherwise you're going to mess things up. And so I would recommend, he goes, I'm not trying to lose the business for the Ford dealership. He goes, but I used to work at this other place, this tire place, and I know they have that brand of tire. He said, so I'm going to send you over there. Now, who does that, realistically, you know? He's taking business away from the company that he's working for because he knows he needs to do the right thing. And I think that is awesome. I have so much respect for that. It is unbelievable. So I was going to show you what else I did today really quickly. But yeah, so that's why I went to the place that I did, had them do the front tires, and then like I said, then I had to have the rest of it taken care of after that. All right, so yes, I picked up prep items today. So I don't know if any of you guys know, Harbor Freight, they have a ITC membership. Right? So if you're a member of this ITC membership, it's $30 a year. Well, $29.99. So yeah, $30 a year. Well, what you do, like this weekend, for an example, if you're a member, you can buy something at there, and then you would get, and I'll show you what I got. But so I picked up 2 of the swivel LED headlamps, right? $2.50 a piece. You cannot beat that, okay? Then I also picked up these, which can go in the bunker. I can basically put a nail into the wall, set these on there, and there's that light right there, right? Turn that one off, and then bam, you got that light. That's a pretty good light, LED light. And so that will be something that we'll be able to put into the bunker to give us light while we're working, so we're not tripping over cords. It has a magnet on this side. I'm not sure. Includes 3 AAA batteries. So yeah, so it takes AAA batteries. I have a ton of AAA batteries, rechargeables. So when these wear out and they go out, I'll just switch them out and use my rechargeable batteries. 98 cents a piece, right? So I picked up those. Picked up 4 of those. So I got 2 of the headlamps, and I'll just pull these out here and I'll show you. So I got those there for that. Okay, so these are 98 cents a piece. These are $2.50 a piece. You can't beat it. You can wear the headlamp underground, and now you got light right there. And you can, if you look at how they have the picture here, it shows that you can put it down, up, and it'll swivel. It'll go wherever you want it to be, which I think is very, very cool. But being an ITC member, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so yesterday, today, and tomorrow, if I go into the store of Harbor Freight and buy anything that I want there, you get 3 free. This is an LED light, okay? So, nice and bright light there. That was free. You got a tape measure, right? 25-foot tape measure. And also 24-pack. I took the AAA batteries. I could have gotten the AA's as well. Either or. It was one of the two. But I got those, and there goes my receipt. Hold on. But I got those all for free just because I was a member. Now, if you were not a member today and you went in, you could still get 1 free gift today. But being an ITC member, you get all 3. People say, oh, I don't know if I would want to pay for a membership and stuff like that. When we bought the winch when we bought the winch, it ended up basically that membership paid for itself because I got the winch at a discount being an ITC member. That's a year membership. They're awesome. Just putting it out there, you know, not trying to tell you guys, go and get a membership. You can do whatever you want. I don't care if you do or you don't. But I'm just putting it out there. The membership pays for itself. Well worth the money. Like I said, again, I got 3 free gifts today instead of 1. So, and that just, all I had to do was buy something. So if I went in and bought a 99-cent light, I would have got those free things for free. Now, I wanted more of the lights, obviously, so that's why I bought more, and I wanted the headlamps as well. But again, the price on those, not bad at all. And if you have rechargeable batteries, they're perfect, right? So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off of here for now. Just another update from the homestead, let you know what's going on here in the exciting life of living off grid. Remember, folks, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we figure that one out, we will be in much, much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important to be able to tell the people that you care about how you feel every day. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do in life, it doesn't have to be prepping. It doesn't have to be about living off grid. It's whatever you are trying to accomplish in your life. You can do it if you set realistic goals and then set about to making them happen. All right? Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.